Alright, what I've got here is the inside of a 2004 Ford Lightning. I hydro-dipped the, not sure what you call it, the little insert for the door handle. Did it in a black carbon fiber. See if we can get close. There we go. Just something different. I guess not really too different, but different than stock. Did both sides. A while back I did the ashtray. That was the first thing I tried. Figured to give it a shot. But yeah, I'm just trying to show people the inside. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you later, everybody.